On this island, just off the coast, this colony of Gentoo penguins must enter the water to feed their chicks. And this sea lion knows it. As they edge towards the water, he attempts to catch them on land. He causes confusion, scattering the group. But here, he is slow and clumsy. But in the water, he'll be a deadly assassin. So he decides to lie in wait, knowing the penguins must eventually risk entering the water. Cautiously, they make their move. These gentoos are the fastest swimming birds on Earth. But the sea lion is more than their equal. There may be safety in numbers, but the sea lion works to split the pack. And this Gentoo is now in his sights. And his fate is sealed.